Sowing rice seeds on dry bed can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's quite achievable. Let's walk through how to sow rice seeds effectively on dryland nursery bed. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First, you'll want to start with quality seeds. Choose a variety that suits your climate and soil condition. This will ensure strong seedlings from the beginning. Now prepare your nursery bed. Find a spot that gets plenty of sunlight. Clear away any debris and start making bed. Once your bed is complete, level the ground to create a smooth surface. This will help make it easier for the seeds to germinate uniformly. Now that you have completed your bed, it's time to sow the seeds. Take your rice seeds and scatter them on the bed. Avoid overcrowding of seeds to achieve strong and healthy rice seedlings. Once you completely scattered the seeds on the bed, make sure to cover the seeds lightly with soil. This ensures they have enough contact with the earth for germination. Once sowing is complete, it's crucial to water the bed gently but thoroughly. After 3 to 4 days, the seeds will start to sprout. And there you have it, with patience and care. You'll have a healthy nursery bed ready for transplanting into your rice field. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you, and see you next time.